Festool clamping elements. For safe and precise securing of the workpiece, sawing, sanding, routing, drilling, etc. Main applications. Even round and flat workpieces can be securely clamped on the MFT. The counter bearings can also be used as placement points for working. Attachment takes place quickly and easily, thanks to the clamping levers. Festool screw clamps. Clamping thickness 11 and 13/16 inches, 300 millimeters. Traditional screw clamp design with specialized head made to fit the holes and channels of the MFT and guide rail systems. Secure your workpiece for precision cutting, sanding, routing, sanding, or just about any other application. Oval shape, larger glued area, more stability. The Domino system unites the precision of a round dowel with the flexibility of a traditional flat dowel, the perfect solution for panel joints. The system consists of the DF500 dowel jointer, dominoes in different sizes and a wide range of accessories for special applications. The result, extremely strong, invisible joints. And Domino can do much more: rack joints, frame joints, drawer joints, etc. Patented routing principle unique to handheld machines for accurate work with no kickbacks. Stops that are quick and easy to adjust for accurate results. Rotation-proof joint with Domino dowels providing maximum stability. System accessories compatible with both Domino jointers. Varied use with dowel sizes from 4 by 20 mm to 10 by 50 mm. Designed for rapid positioning and clamping of Festool FS guide rails, includes fixed jaw and clamping jaw. The FS Rapid Clamp is particularly useful for fast and reliable clamping of guide rails to sheet good materials. Mounts to guide rails using the continuous bottom T-slot for limitless adjustability. One-handed trigger action enables quick setup on material edge. Fits all Festool guide rails. Includes one clamp. Guide rail adapter for use with Gecko suction handle and Festool guide rail system. Secure your Festool guide rail to almost any non-porous flat surface for secure and precise cutting using the Gecko suction handle and guide rail adapter. Gecko is equipped with dual quick-release suction cups that form a tight seal with your material, so your attached guide rail won't budge during cutting or routing operations. Armed with the most advanced motor technology and every feature you have come to expect from Festool, plus many more never imagined, the Carvex PS420 EBQ-Plus barrel grip jigsaw will shatter all expectations. Master virtually any material and application thanks to the robust build and flexibility of the Carvex design. With multiple base plates for cutting wood-like materials, plastics, and metals, the Carvex adapts to any application. Simplify setups for angle cuts with an all-new adjustable angle base with rotary adjust knob. And a tool-free exchange system allows for quick and easy base changes. Cut with ease and control with unparalleled ergonomics, a dual-access power switch, and low vibration. Enjoy full flexibility when drilling and screwdriving. The completely electronic torque adjustment, Centratec quick change system, as well as angle attachment, eccentric attachment and depth stop can handle any drilling or screwdriving task. The combination of the Li-high power battery pack and maintenance-free brushless ECTEC motor means that the C18 cordless drill is light, long-lasting and durable. The cordless screwdriver and battery pack are completely covered with the Festool service, giving you peace of mind for your day-to-day work. Available in unique C design or, depending on personal preference, in T design as the T18+3. The new Carvex KSC60 cordless sliding compound miter saws produce unbeatably precise crosscuts in an enormous range of applications with miter angles of up to 60 degrees on each side and bevel angles of up to 47 degrees on each side. The twin column guide with two bearings ensures that the saw blade is guided smoothly and with precision whichever setting is chosen. This makes every cut perfect, without wobbles or juddering. In conjunction with the dual battery system, the brushless ECT-EC motor provides virtually unlimited endurance and is enough for all typical applications for an entire day's work. And finally, clever details such as the speed pre-selection, saw blades for every application, bevel, ergonomic underframe and chip collection bag create the conditions for ergonomic, healthy, and highly professional work. Precise, twin-column guide with 2 bearings ensures that the saw blade is guided smoothly and with precision. Versatile, miter angles of up to 60 degrees on each side and bevel angles of up to 47 degrees on each side. Long-lasting, the combination of the brushless ECT-EC motor and dual battery system delivers maximum power. Mobile, low weight, compact design, convenient handles. Work appropriately for the material, with saw blades for every material and speed pre-selection for speed adapted to the material. Low dust work, chip collection bag for dust-free work, even without a mobile dust extractor. Easy, bevel for producing interior and exterior angles. Precise, LED spotlight for highlighting the cutting line and optimal visibility of the scribe mark. Flexible, extension table for the stable support of longer workpieces. Clever, the additional feet increase the height of the work table on the KSC60 to precisely match the height of the SIS3M112 or SIS1 sustainer. Accurate cuts, precise, clearly visible scale. Either use the locking positions for the preset angles or individually adjust an angle using the easy-to-use clamp. Quite simple. The spindle stop enables the saw blade to be changed in next to no time.
Hi, I'm Steve and welcome to Festool TV. Today I'm going to be talking about the ES ETSC 125 edge sander. Almost every workshop needs to sand edges, either for fitting or ready for painting, polishing or edging. Of course, we have sanding blocks available to do this by hand, but this can raise a few issues. Like hand planing, we almost all tend to favour one side, causing us to take off more material there. Along with the dust that the task produces, this can be a dirty, laborious job. Festool has developed a solution to all these problems with the ES ETSC edge sander, and now edges can be sanded cleanly, quickly and with more accuracy. And with the positioning aid, we can put tipping over and sanding through behind us. The edge sander is 125mm in diameter, so it allows narrow and large edges to be sanded from a range of 5mm to 60mm. It has a 2mm orbital stroke, meaning this will leave a perfect finish to any edge. The edge sander can handle curves such as round tables, bevels 43 to 92 degrees quickly and easily. Abrasives are quick to change by pressing down on this green catch and pulling the base forward, leaving space to add your abrasives. Bevels are easy to set without the use of any tools by loosening the fastener on the positioning aid and moving to match your edge. Once you have your edge set, you're ready to start. Your weight on the top surface prevents tipping and ensures a perfect edge every time. You can work with the integral dust bag or an extractor like the CTM MIDI. The sander has two different modes. Hard mode will sand the edge to a preset angle, and the soft mode allows the sander to adapt to the edge that has been sanded. This helps when sanding painted or filled edges, helping to prevent them from being sanded through. The slider wear can be changed from the plastic base for normal materials to the velour lining to protect delicate surfaces. The multiple material control allows us to control the speed for whatever we're sanding. So if I'm sanding paint or varnishes, I can reduce the speed a little to prevent unnecessary heat, letting the abrasives work better. So with the ES-ETSC 125 edge sander, I can easily sand any edge up to 60mm. Curves and bevels are simple and tipping is no longer an issue.
Impressive on straight edges and curves, the OFK 700 edge router is the multi-talent among edge routers. It makes easy work of trimming edges and surface projections, irrespective of whether the workpiece is large or small and whether the edges are curved or straight. The large, easy-to-attach router table provides a stable surface area and secure guidance for the machine in any working position. Detachable router table with large support surface, base inclined by 1.5 degrees for excellent working results. Routing depth adjustment to 1/10 mm. Contact spring for smooth routing pattern. Spindle stop for quick and easy cutter changes.